digital era pass. New metal be tie growls beneath the warm 808 bass. A neon lagoon with the static erases your face. Vinyl crackles softly as the wave sound starts to fade, cutting the death that the melody never paid. And the tempo shatters, the pirate metal awakens from sleep, and accordion trades improvisations while the woodwinds weep. Industrial effects tearing through the transition lines as the funk bass anchors the groove in the copper mines. Step up the ladder, let the world collapse. We're rewriting the grid and burning the maps, from the tropical chill to the cybernetic slaughterhouse floor, between the speed of the less and the weight of the more. Layer the solos, crossfade the stereo depth. We're pushing the system to its very last breath. Into the dark trap beats where the sub bass is a weapon. New metal hardcore screams at the gates of a digital heaven. Machine gun riffs firing over the distorted drop. A hyper pop glitch that the sequence can't seem to stop. Then the triplet bass of the psychotrance starts to bloom. Melodic death metal harmonies bleeding inside the room. It's a Swedish style melody wrapped in a strobe light glare, spilling the blood of the logic into the dead air. Move to the mic sludge, 100 beats per minute flat. Cyberpunk weight crushing down where the dark frequency sat. Establishes the smooth modal jazz chord foundation, while a walking electric bass line guides the structural mutation. The saxophone takes the lead, blowing expressive heptatonic lines, layered with clean funk guitars and syncopated drum designs. Congas and bongos add rhythm, the synth pad brings the glow, as a second electric piano adds a counter melody below. Loops and beamed effects and sub-synth layers start to collide, building an orchestral crescendo where the elements fight. Soprano and baritone voices spread wide across the field, and epic tension automated until the fracture is sealed. Funk rock groove recap, a momentary anchor for the ear, before the full mega convergence erases the lingering fear. All ensembles hitting at once, the metal, the jazz, the choir, a single massive orchestral blast, the feedback and fire, then the smooth fade out begins, the industrial layers die. Dubbing pads and soft accordions echoing under the sky. A light piano loops back to the start of the island theme, fading into an empty drone, waking up from the machine.